You don't know Vendetta thing though. Dutch.
Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel, M&MG. I'm Mrs. Gold, and before we begin this video, I would like you to go on our channel and look for the Gold Top Prize video so you can learn how you or someone in need can have a chance to win Alkaline'S Top Prize album. Big up to Q, Leon, and Greg for contributing to our prizes, as well as us, Mr. and Mrs. Gold. Also, big up to Alkaline Daily, Elite TV, Bia, Rena, Leah, Natty, Ivy, all my best friends who have passed through our lives. They live busy schedules, and for them to find time to come true to our family, to our life, it was amazing to have you guys check out some of our videos. So we really appreciate it. Just a reminder to everyone, Mr. Gold and I go live every weekend, every Saturday and Sunday from 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is about 6 o'clock in Jamaica, and then every other Monday. So just stay tuned to our channel. We'll let you know ahead of time when we're going to go on, at least one day in advance. And we'll let you know what the topics will be, because we're always going to have interesting topics. And as usual, big up to all those that leave us comments in our comment section. We truly appreciate it. And you don't know, we always have to highlight you all. And for our last update, we are doing our $200 subscriber goal giveaway on April 3rd. That's Easter Sunday, April 3rd, 2021. Thank you all for subscribing to our channel. We reached our 400 subscriber goal. Thank you very much. Now on to our topic. Now Q, I believe, or another person in the comments on one of our lives, asked us to do a topic on how to purchase music on the internet so that we know how to purchase Top Prize album for those who can afford it, of course. In general, North America, these are the 8 best places to buy music online: Amazon, iTunes, Beatsport, 7 Digital, HD Tracks, Bandcamp, CD Universe, and Walmart. Now, since we don't know all the locations that are going to be selling Alkaline'S album Top Prize, we'll only concentrate on Amazon Music today and iTunes unless we get further information, and then we'll do more instructions on how to buy music in other places. So you can buy music on Amazon 2 ways, either electronically or physically. So let's look at the electronically first. Now, depending on your location, if you're a Prime member of Amazon, you should be able to have access to Amazon Music. And what's good about Amazon Music, it has a cross-platform that allows you to listen to music that you purchase and download, not only on your phone, but your computer or your tablet as well. So that's definitely beneficial, because some apps only allowed you to listen to the music on your cell phone. Find the song that you want to download, so look for Top Prize. Tap the ellipsis icon next to the track. See it right there, and how you can hit download. And the track will go on the device of your choice. Now, If you're an Android user, you can long press on the track and select download. You can do the entire album and playlist as well, and download it by tapping the Alkaline'S icon on the album art and tapping download. Or you can tap long press on the album art and tap download. So you have many choices on how to download music on your device. You only want to download when you have Wi-Fi, so you're not using any data from your phone. These are the instructions. You basically go to settings, download audio quality on your mobile device, and it will download only when you're around Wi-Fi. And also you'll be able to choose how you want the music to be downloaded. If you want the files to be compressed, that can help you save space on your phone, or if you want it to just be standard. Now, if you're on a regular computer, desktop computer, and you have the Amazon app on your desktop, you can download music to your computer by tapping on the Alkaline'S icon for any album or playlist. But we're not doing just any. This is for top price Alkaline'S thing. Download it. For individual songs, there will be a download button next to each track. And then another way to do this is to click and drag a selection and dump it into the right-hand side panel. And you can also change your preferences for downloading by going to Preferences, Advanced, then go down to Download Settings, and then you can switch between standard files and best quality or compressed files to save you space. Now, if you just want to buy the hardcover, which is what I recommend for a top price album, let me use New Level Unlocked, his first album, Alkaline'S first album, as an example. So you go to Amazon.com or .ca if you're in Canada or whatever your country uses. Search for New Level Unlocked, for example, or top price. Then you would add it to your cart once you select the album that you see. And then you choose how many copies you want. So I'm not too sure. It depends where you live and what the rules are, what the limit is. But you can see I'm just hitting the plus sign and I'm getting numerous amounts of copies. All right. And then it'll just go to your card and then you can download your New Level Unlocked or top prize album and enjoy it. But top prize is our goal for the first week of sales. So I hope that helps, everyone. So I want to talk about another thing here, and that's how to purchase it on Apple Music. So I'm going to use New Level Unlocked as an example, how you would purchase top price album on your Apple Music. So if you have Apple Music as a streaming service, all you simply need to do is search for top price album or top price single. You can do that right now. And then you can use those dots on the side to download and purchase the album. Some streaming services, you just pay every couple of months to download the music. So you just simply hit the plus sign and you can download the album or the single top price. So either way, these are the instructions on how to do it on the Apple Music app. Now, if you're using a desktop, if it's Mac or PC, you can also download top prize single and top prize album on your desktop by simply opening your Apple Music app or iTunes, find top prize album or top prize single, add the song or album by using the plus sign button, and then add it to your computer by downloading it. So I want to talk about the Record Industry Association of America, RIAA, RIAA, however you pronounce it. For us Vendetta fans, let's go. Let's try to get this album certified. And this is what we need to do. This is my goal that I'm putting out there. We're going to be proud of Alkaline no matter what. But just so everyone knows, it takes us to move 500 units to get gold, 1 million units to get platinum, and 2 million to get multi-platinum. And I just know in my heart that we could do this. Again, we'd be proud of Alkaline no matter what, but I think we have the capabilities in 2021 to make this happen. So again, for those who can't afford the album, make sure you enter into our contest and giveaway. In the meantime, study this chart. 1 album sell equals 10 songs downloaded. So 10 song downloads is 1 album sell, and it equals 1,500 song streams. That is the album equivalent unit. Study that chart. Let's do this. This is my personal goal because I am Mr. Gold, Mrs. Gold, and we have Mr. Gold here, and we want to see this album do well. Anyways, thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and look out for our lives. Bless.
What are you doing to maintain yourself as a top artist?
Me just continue stay on top of my game by just recording.
Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos, share, and like. Thanks.